In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use hardware acceleration when screen sharing in Zoom. If your screen shares feel choppy or your CPU spikes during meetings, turning on hardware acceleration can help. This feature lets Zoom offload some visual processing to your computer's graphics hardware, which often results in smoother animations, crisper motion, and less strain on your processor. It's especially useful when you share videos, design tools, or anything with frequent on-screen changes. Start by opening the Zoom desktop app. Look for the gear icon to open settings. You'll typically find it on the home screen of the Zoom client, or you can click your profile picture and choose settings from there. This is where all of your preferences live, including the options for how screen sharing behaves. Inside the settings window, select Share Screen from the sidebar. This section controls everything related to sharing your desktop, a window, or a portion of your screen. It's a good place to confirm the basics later, like whether Zoom is set to optimize for video or adjust the share quality. But for now, we'll head into the advanced controls. Next, click Advanced within the Share Screen settings. Depending on your Zoom version, Advanced may appear as a tab near the top or a button within the page. Opening this area reveals performance-related options that aren't shown in the general share settings. In the Advanced area, look for the section labeled Use Hardware Acceleration for. You'll see multiple items there, and the one we care about is screen sharing. Turn that option on. It may be a checkbox or a toggle, but the goal is the same. Enable hardware acceleration specifically for your screen shares. This tells Zoom to leverage your GPU to render and transmit what you're sharing more efficiently. Once it's on, you're set. Going forward, your shared content should feel smoother and more responsive, particularly during high-motion content. If you don't see the hardware acceleration options, make sure you're running the Zoom desktop client rather than the web version, and consider updating Zoom to the latest release. On some systems, this setting can increase power usage slightly. That's normal when the GPU is doing more work. And if you ever notice visual glitches with certain apps, you can return to the same place and toggle it off. That's all there is to it. With hardware acceleration enabled for screen sharing, you'll get cleaner, more fluid shares with less CPU overhead, helping your meetings look and feel more professional.